You search for how to buy shares of Gecina. Gecina is a French real estate company listed on Euronext with the ticker GFC.PA. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy Gecina, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GFC.PA. Select the matching Gecina listing from the results to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movements. Confirm the name and ticker GFC.PA to ensure you have the correct Gecina stock. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, and then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio or holdings. A link to eToro is provided in the description for reference.